So let us say plan number one, plan one, plan two. So three plans. Good morning, Apurva. Yes. Okay. So
Sir,
here.
your voice is very low.
Yeah. I am moving aside. Clear, no? Yeah.
No, sir.
What happened? What happened? Okay. Now you see board is distinctly visible, no problem. Okay. So Sophie had some plans. The first plan was to go to a restaurant, have a nice dinner, and
Sir, voice is very, very low.
voice is that maybe voice is audible, no? Voice is going to you. Maybe because of the mic. Hello?
Yes, sir, it is audible, but sir, your voice is very low.
Maybe machine problem, beta, we cannot help. I am holding the mic. Hello. Yeah.
Clearly.
Yes. Not audible.
Sir, you are audible. Sir, you are audible.
Now, hello. Voice is clear? Yes.
सर आपकी आवाज पहले से ही आ रही थी.
Then why they are telling voice is not audible like this? Don't tell unnecessary things. We have a lot of things to do. This is last period.
Yes.
So, yes. So, this one, the plan one was to go to a restaurant, eat nicely and not to pay and go to jail. That did not work. Why? Because the waiters in the hotel, they could know that Sophie is not a decent man by seeing his torn boot and torn trousers. So they did not allow him. They did not allow him to enter into restaurant. Okay. Then what happened? Second plan, to throw a stone at the window. Throw a stone. So he threw a stone and a policeman came. He smiled at the policeman. He thought the policeman will take him to the jail. But the policeman did not believe him, because a person who will throw the stone will not wait to be scolded. So he did not suspect Sophie. Second incident over. Third thing, what happened? He went to a moderate restaurant, means not very costly. There he ate and did not pay. He told you call a police, but what they did not call the police. Rather, all the waiters, they joined hands and threw Sophie out of the restaurant. He fell down on the road and was dusting his coat. Up to this, we have read in the last period. Up to the last period. Okay. Now, so a fear came to his heart that he is not going to be arrested. Okay. So he page number 25, you see 25 page number. He stood up slowly, one part at a time, and wet the dust from his clothes. Prison seemed only a happy dream. An island seemed very far away. Now Sophie's plans to go to the prison, it is going off. Why? He understood that nobody will take him to the jail. Okay. A cop who was standing near laughed and walked away. When he told that I cannot go to jail, a policeman was standing near him and laughed and went away. Sophie started moving again. When he stopped, he was near several theaters. In this part of the city, streets are brighter and hearts are more joyful than in other parts. Women and men in rich warm coats moved happily in the winter air. It was winter, and the men and women they were moving with costly coats, and Sophie was alone, moving now because all his plans failed. His plans failed. Okay, so he was moving and unable to decide what to do. You see the picture how Sophie is being thrown away by the people in the second restaurant. The first restaurant did not allow Sophie. The second one they threw him out. Okay. Then he came to another cop standing in front of a big theater. Page number 26 you open. So all the three plans to go to jail failed. Plan 1, plan 2 and plan 3, all three failed. Then he came to another cop standing in front of a big theater. He thought of something else to try. So he thought that my plan to go to jail failed. So something else I will do. Then he began to shout as if he had too much to drink. Too much means excess amount, excess. So now Sophie had too much means excess amount. So you know drinking wine and making public nuisance also is a crime. So Sophie thought that I will do some other crime. What is the crime? I will page number you please see. It is 27 page number. Okay. So he now behaved like a drunkard because drinking and making public nuisance is a crime. So he thought that the police will catch him and take him to the jail. So he thought of something else to try. He began to shout if he had too much to drink. His voice was as loud as he could make it. He danced, he cried out. So like a drunk man, as if he is drunk, he shouted, scolded, danced, jumped with the hope that he will be sent to the police station. Okay, and the cop turned his back to Sophie and said to a man standing near him, "It is one of these college boys." Because in the young age, college students, they behave like this. They become indisciplined and they shout and drink and shout in public. He told this line, Utkarsh, you see, this was third paragraph of page number 26. 26 page number, third paragraph you see, you will get it. So, it is one of those college boys, he won't hurt anything. We have orders to let them shout. Let them means to allow them. So, he told I cannot arrest him because we have orders not to harass the college students. Let means allow, A-L-L-O-W. So, we have orders not to harm the college students. That's why. Okay. So, Sophie was again escaping. This is plan number 4. You remember the plans one by one, everything will be clear in mind. Okay. Plan number 4, to dance and sing and shout in the public as if he is drunk. So that also failed. Sophie was quiet. Was no cop going to touch him? He began to think of the island as if it were far away as a star. Now Sophie understood. He thought it was easy to go to jail. Now he understood that for him it is going to the jail also is a problem. He began to think of the island as if it were far away as a star. He pulled his thin coat around him. The wind was very cold. Now cold wind is blowing, but all his plans failed. All his plans failed. Okay. Clear? No, any doubt is there? No. So then he saw a man in the shop buying newspaper. The man's umbrella stood beside the door. Now another plan to go to jail. Just to 1 second, I will bring a piece of paper. I will write the attendance. 1 second, you wait.
Talkie.
Okay. Okay, I came back, children. You any doubt is there? No doubt.
No doubt, sir.
Okay. So the plan 4 was also a failure because nobody took notice of Sophie shouting and behaving like a drunk man. Okay. So this was the plan. Now he thought that some stealing he will do. Stealing means taking away others' things. That is called stealing. Okay. So in street corner he went and picked up a umbrella. So he thought that I have stolen the umbrella, so police will catch me. Okay, that also did not happen. Okay, so what he did, you see page number 26 again. Sophie was no cop going to touch him. So he wanted to be arrested, but nobody is touching him. How his plan will work? So Sophie was frustrated because all his plans are failing. He pulled his coat, so now cold wind is blowing. He has to make some new plan to go to the island. To go to the island, he has to make some new plan. Okay. Yes, I have written. Hiral also. Hiral, I have written. Yes. Ritesh, all these names I am writing. Don't worry. Kanishk, Utkars, Hiral, Kanishk, Hiral, Siddhika, Prithvi, Dhimant. Okay, Anjali. Yes. Oh, I have written. I have written. All names I have written. Kavya, Tafsil written. Nirav, I have written. Others, I have written. Okay. Okay, all I have given attendance. Don't worry.
Naveen Kumar Meena, sir.
Yes. I have written. Don't worry. I am seeing the word.
Dipanshu Singh.
Yeah. Okay. I have written all the names. So now Sophie thought of another plan. What he did, he saw a man beside him in a shop buying newspaper. The man's umbrella stood beside the door. So he thought that I will steal the umbrella and the man will call the police and I will go to the jail. Stepped inside the door, took the umbrella and walked slowly away. The man followed him quickly. My umbrella, he said. Oh, is it? Said Sophie. Why don't you call a cop? I took it. So Sophie told him, okay, if it is your umbrella, why are you telling me? You please call the cop. Okay. Cop means policeman. Okay. So, but the man actually did not complain to the police. Why? You know, it was not his umbrella. Oh, is it? Said Sophie, why don't you call a cop? I took it, your umbrella, why don't you call a cop? There is one standing at the corner. The man walked more slowly, Sophie did the same. But he had a feeling that he was going to fail again. The cop looked at the two men. So the policeman also had their talk and looked at them. Page number 27, you see, he had a feeling that he was going to fail again. The cop looked at the two men. Now Sophie understood this plan also will not work. Why? The policeman was not showing an interest in their talk. So he was not showing an interest means how he will send him to jail. So this plan also will not work. Okay. So this plan also will fail. I said the umbrella man, that is, you know how these things happen. If that is your umbrella, I am very sorry. I found it this morning in a restaurant. If you say it is yours, I hope you all. Means that man also was not the owner of the umbrella. So he told, okay, today only I got it. If you tell it is yours, you take it away. Okay. It is mine, cried Sophie with anger in his voice. The umbrella man hurried away. Now the umbrella man also went. So because you know, he went to the street corner, picked up an umbrella and thought, so this incident is like this. Went to street corner, picked up one umbrella. What he thought that the owner of the umbrella will complain and he will go to jail. But this also did not happen. Why? Because the person who was telling it is my umbrella was also not the owner of the umbrella. So this plan also will not work. Okay. So the man came after him and told, I think it is my umbrella. Sophie told, then you go and call a policeman. Both people are claiming it is my umbrella, so the umbrella cannot belong to two. So let us call the police to resolve it. But the man told, okay, today morning I got the umbrella, it may not be mine. So he told, if it is yours, you take it away. So this plan also failed. At last, Sophie came to one of the quiet streets on the side of the city. He turned here again and began to walk south towards Madison Square. He was going home, although home was only a city in the park. So, after this incident, Sophie understood that nobody will arrest him, and also he understood that he cannot go to jail. He has to think of something else. So that something else should come to his mind. So he made 4 plans. All the plans of going to the jail failed. How? Because in the first plan, to go to a nice restaurant and eat failed. Why? Because the restaurant people did not allow him to enter inside. So, in the notebook you write down plan 1, plan 2, plan 3 like this. Okay? I will make the table, you make a ready notebook. Serial number. What was the plan? Okay. Serial number. What was the plan and why the plan failed? Why the plan failed? Serial number. What was the plan and why the plan failed? Write in the notebook. Make it clear.
उसमें ना हर कुछ देखता है
Hey, what happened? Hey, hey, who are they?
Ritesh, please unmute yourself.
What happened? What happened?
रितेश म्यूट कर ले.
Mute, mute. Arey, mute your mic. Hey,
Sir, he is Ritesh. Sir, he is Ritesh.
who is he? Ritesh. Arey, I will come. Unmute yourself.
Sir, can you hear me?
Yes, yes. Arey, Ritesh, I will remove you. Why are you fighting? This time, final warning, Ritesh. Ritesh Kumar Meghwal, no fighting. This is final warning. If you abuse each other, I will send a abuse report or also send back to you. Ritesh, don't repeat. So this table you complete and scan and send in the Google Classwork. Google Classwork you send, I will correct and send. Serial number, what will you write? Plan number 1. So what was the plan? To go to a nice restaurant, eat, not pay. In short like a sentence I am writing, not pay, and tell them to call a cop. This was the first plan of Sophie. This was the first plan to go to a nice restaurant, eat, and not to pay, and tell them to call a cop. What happened? The waiters did not allow Sophie inside. So the first plan failed. So the first plan failed because the waiters did not allow Sophie to enter inside. If he enters only, he will eat. No. If he is not allowed to enter, how he will eat? So his first plan failed. Correct? Like this second plan you write. So how I have written, you see the cop and the anthem, serial number, what was the plan, why the plan failed. So the first plan, second plan, third plan, like this you write. I have written the first plan. In that model, you will write the second and third plan. Okay. Followed? No. Plan number 2. To go to the street corner, to break the glass window and call the cop. Why it failed? Because board may be coming blur. You what to do? Because people are taking class, not rubbing properly. What to do? So I am telling again, plan number 1, serial number, plan number 1. What was the plan? To go to a nice restaurant, eat, not pay, and tell them to call a cop. Why the plan failed? Because the waiters did not allow Sophie inside. Plan 1 failed. Plan number 2, to go to the street corner and to break a glass window by throwing a stone. Why it did not work? Because the cop thought it is not Sophie. And he thought that this is another man. And he ran. That failed. Plan number 3, to go to a moderate restaurant. They allowed him because there were only not the rich people, poor people also went. He was allowed. So he ate nicely and came. Food was not so good, but he ate nicely and came. And he told, I don't have money, you call a cop. So what happened? They told, we do not call the cop. We have our own way of dealing. What they did, they threw Sophie out. They threw him out. So he fell down on the road, wiped his coat, and thought that going to jail is very difficult. Now he had made another plan. That is plan number 4. Plan number 4 is to shout and dance and create nuisance like a drunkard man. Okay, to shout, to dance, and to create nuisance like a drunkard man on the road. But the policeman did not arrest him. He told that they are college students and they are allowed not to arrest the college students. So Sophie escaped. That plan also did not work. Now last plan, to go to the street corner shop and pick out a umbrella. So the umbrella man came behind him and he thought that he will call the police. But that man also was not the owner of the umbrella. So Sophie again failed to go to jail. So it all 4 attempts to go to jail failed. Sophie's. Okay. So Sophie was a plan number 1 you wrote, plan number 2 you wrote, plan number 3 I told, plan number 4, plan number 5. Again I am repeating. Plan number 1 you know, plan number 2 to break a glass window. Why it failed? Because the policeman thought it is another man who has broken the glass window, not Sophie. Plan number 3, to go to a moderate restaurant. Moderate means which is not very costly. To eat and not to pay. So they did not call the police. They told, we have our own rule. What is the rule? To throw the man out. They threw Sophie outside. The next plan, plan number 4, to go to the street corner, shout and create nuisance like a drunkard man. Drunkard means if you are drinking more alcohol. So he behaved like a drunkard man, shouted, sang, danced, and thought that he will go to jail. But the policeman who was standing there did not arrest him. He told he is a college student. So nowadays college students are behaving like this and we have orders not to arrest them. Then he went to the street corner, picked up one umbrella and thought that because of stealing umbrella, I will be sent to jail. So the man who told it is my umbrella, he told, okay, you go and call a police. But that man became afraid because the umbrella does not belong to that other man. He told, in the today morning only I got it. If you think it is all your umbrella, you can take it. So the man walked away. So Sophie was saved. So like this you do it and send in Google, scan the notebook and send. Okay, Nabin, you don't write. I have seen Utkarsh. Okay. Okay, children. Now, Sophie understood that his plan is to go to the jail will be very difficult. Now, going to the jail also very difficult for him. So, he has to lead that miserable life in the Madison Square. Okay. So, he again returned now. Where? To his place. What is the place? Madison Square. There he returned. Okay. So there he returned again because he understood all his plans will fail one by one. He cannot go to jail. So Sophie decided that my plan to go to the jail will fail. So he returned to the street corner again. Who? Sophie. Okay. He came back to the old place. That is the he came back to his old place. The place called Medicine Square. Because all his plans to go to jail failed. Because Sophie returned because all his plans failed. Clear, children? At last, Sophie came to one of the quiet streets on the side of the city. He turned here and began to walk south towards Madison Square. He was going home, although home was only a seat in the park. Because for him, that was the home, and there was no place in the world. He thought, for me, the moon was above. Yes. What to do? Board cannot be helped. I am telling, repeating you right down. He came to his old place, that is Madison Square. Madison, Madison Square, because all his plans.
It is not clear. Everything is clear.
Okay, no problem. I am repeating it. Kumud, listen. He came to his old place, that is Madison Square, because all his plans to go to the jail failed. Okay, this much you write. After writing the plans, you have written the plans, then you write this, your answer is complete. Okay. All his plans failed. So now you see, when one will try to go to jail, he cannot go. But when one will not try to go to jail, he will go to jail. This will happen to Sophie. So the moon was above, peaceful and bright. There were few people passing. He could hear birds high above him. So Sophie wanted that I will change my life. Why I will always lead such a miserable life? So it is high time I will change my life. Okay. So there was a music that came from the room held Sophie there, for he had known well long ago in those days his life contained such things as mothers and flowers and high hopes and friends and clean thoughts, clean clothes. Okay. So you see, he was not a vagabond. He had family. Sophie had parents.
Sir, what is the meaning of vagabond?
Parents he had.
Sir,
And
what is the meaning of vagabond?
vagabond means one who moves aimlessly without any work. One who moves from place to place is called a vagabond. So he had family, parents, good hope, good thoughts, clean dresses. So he had a home. So a good life. Life was very nice for him. But what happened? Due to misfortune, because depends on the fate. Today we have everything, money, power, family, everything. If tomorrow something will happen, nothing will be there. So in this way, Sophie was not blessed, but he had an opportunity. He remembered his house, he remembered his parents, he remembered the good life, good thoughts, clean dresses, home, everything was good. Once upon a time, Sophie had all these things, but he missed them now. Now again he wants to start his life newly. Okay. Uh, in those days, his life contained such things as mothers, flowers, high hopes and friends, and clean thoughts and clean clothes. There was a sudden and wonderful change in his soul. So man has two things: body and soul. Body, you have two things. One is body, one is soul. Body, we are able to feel. We are able to see the body. Soul, you cannot see. So he wanted to change his life, change his spirit. Now you see, once you get an opportunity, you can change your life. Okay. He saw with sick fear how he had fallen. So because he saw, this is the life I don't want. I don't want such a life. I want a good life. I want to have a house. I want to have a family. I want to have a job. So I will change my life. I will not wander here and there aimlessly. He saw his worthlessness. Worthless means meaningless. Worthless, fruitless. Worthless. So he saw his fruitless, meaningless life. All these years he was wandering aimlessly without doing anything. Okay. He saw his worthless days, his wrong desires, dead hopes, lost power of mind. If you spoil your life without doing anything, who will be responsible? You are only responsible. If you do something, God will bless you. If you do not do anything, what God will do? So Sophie understood that you can only change your life. You have to change the ways of your thinking, the actions, everything. And also in the moment, his heart answered in his soul, he would fight to change his life. So it is difficult to change the life. So man has a body and a soul. So if you want to change your life, you can change. If you want to change your life, you can change. He would fight to change his life. He would pull himself up out of the mud. Pulling himself up means coming to the better part. Page number 27, last. 27 you see. Okay, he would make a man of himself. Man of himself means standing on his own legs. You can tell Sophie is standing on his legs only. Means living independently. Living, have a independent living. He will make a man of himself means stand on his own legs. Out of the mud means free from the negative things. All negative things he will not do. He will do only which is positive and make a man of himself. Make a man of himself. Meaning is that to rebuild his life. Again to make the life, again to start the life new, with the new habits, new thoughts, everything new. Okay, so he was determined that he will be successful. Okay, you write the plan 1, plan 2, plan 3. Table I have given no, and scan and send in the Google Classroom. I will correct and send you back. Okay, children. Anything else?
Okay, sir.
Okay, bye. Thank you, children. We will continue in one more period and complete by Monday. We will complete. Thank you. Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye, children. Okay. Bye, sir. Bye. All the best. Have a nice day.
Bye, sir. Thank you for teaching us.